What up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. 365 days of a photo. It is day 75. 75. Making it on through. 75 days since the beginning of the year. Doesn't even feel like that long. It all kind of just smashing together. This year's gonna burn by doing this. Anyway, I'm pretty tired today. Didn't sleep very good last night, so let's get right into editing this photo. This is gonna be the photo of today. Looks like, for some reason, my eyes are crooked as shit when I was saying nothing. I guess that's because the ground's not really is it? I guess I had the ground more level. Okay. Not that ends it there. Alright, let's start with that. Behind this is the freeway. As you'll see other photos. Of course, I grabbed the other ones. Like a couple got the car. Thank you. Car. Anyway. Here we go. Our photo. Don't get lost. Oh. I should have went the other way, obviously. I'm gonna decontrast this a bunch. I'm gonna bring it just a bit. Highlights down a lot. Basically all the way. Shadows up quite a bit. Light back in. Now the trucker. Alright. This up quite a bit. Check the brightness down. A little more saturation. Check the green back up. Let's see now. Trying to decide if I want to do a color grade or not. It's got some pretty good color as of now. I might do just a slight touch. Just a slight touch. Nothing crazy. Just a little bit. Nothing crazy. Just a little bit. Alright. Okay. Some texture. Bring down the clarity just a tad. Little dehaze, little vignette, denoise this bad boy. Squeaky chairs.
I must apologize for Wimp Low. He is an idiot. We have purposely trained him wrong, as a joke.
It is true. Alright. And that was do. That'll do. Oh. I don't know why this changes constantly when I tell it not to. Correct. Anyway, it'll just switch back randomly. I have to use Claude to build a little better system for it. Yeah, it's staying right now. I don't get it. Alright, anyway, let's get back to this. Answer a little detail in here. Okay, now let us mask said object. We'll do a landscape mask. Lagging tough. Oh, come on. You got this. Bring it back. Bring it back. You can do it. I promise you can. I have nothing but the faith in you. Close something. Should give you extra space. Come on. Oh, that's right. I have some files transferring in the back. Of course, it's laggy. Of course. Okay, so we don't want to do the sky. Ooh. Vegetation ain't really too great either on that. Alright, let's try this. Just paint it on in. Hopefully it gets what we are looking for. Let's see. Terrible. Alright. That's a no-go on that there, laddies. Alright, so what I would normally do then, hopefully we don't get any lag, is I'd take a brush zoom in a little bit, adjust the size of my brush, and paint in. What I'm trying to paint in. Okay. Let's just bringing that out just a wee bit. A wee bit more there. Okay. Alright. And now, for our next, we're gonna do gradient like so. Highlights up, shadows up, light up. So this is kind of probably better be done in Photoshop, but we're doing this kind of stuff here because we're able to. Just enough. Okay. Let's grab our big one, bring that up just a bit more. One more. Okay. With that, we're going to go up. Down exposure a bit. More contrast. Up the highlights. Bring in the shadows. Tap the white. Bring back the black. Blue, saturation up a little bit, texture, no real clarity, make some haze in, degrain, denoise. Back up just a bit. that is our photo. Thank y'all for tuning in. Day 75. See you for the next day. Tomorrow. Like, subscribe, share if you liked. Dislike if you didn't like. We'll see you in the next. Bye-bye.